Hello everyone, my name is Arya Lokmanul Hakim and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University and my prodi is software engineering. Today I want to explain about hardware. Hardware is one of the most important parts of a computer because without hardware a computer cannot work properly. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of hardware, the type of hardware, and why hardware is important in your daily life. Okay. Hardware means the physical part of the computer. We can touch and see it directly. For the example, a keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, and CPU. Hardware works together with software. Software gives instruction and hardware perform the task. Without hardware, software cannot run. Input device. Input device are hardware used to enter data into the computer. For the example, we use keyboard to type the text and mouse to click and move the cursor, and microphone is used to record sound, and scanner is used to scan document or picture into the computer. This device help users send information to the computer. Output devices are hardware used to show information from the computer to users. For the example, a monitor display image, video, and text on the screen. Speakers produce sound, and printer print document or photo on paper. Output device help user receive information from the computer clearly. Inside the computer, there are many important hardware components. The processor or CPU is called the brain of the computer because it processes instruction and control computer activities. RAM help the computer run program faster and support multitasking. SSD and HDD is used to store file, application, and operation system. Okay, hardware has many important functions in a computer system. Some hardware is used to input data, some process data, and other store data. There is also hardware that display information to users. All hardware components work together so the computer can operation properly and efficiently. Hardware is very important because a computer cannot work without it. Hardware help people do many activities such as studying, working, communicating, designing, and playing games. Today, computer and hardware are used almost everywhere, including school, office, hospitals, and homes. Because of that, hardware plays an important role in modern life. To conclude, hardware is the physical part of the computer that we can see and touch. Hardware and software work together to make computer useful and functional. There are many kinds of the hardware, such as an input device, output device, and internal component. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation is useful for everyone and miss. Bye bye.